In addition to that, you could also enter the world of academia. As an electronics engineering student, it's an opportunity for us to redesign the world by making it more efficient, connected, sustainable.
Civil engineering involves creating and innovating things that improves the quality of your life. As a civil engineer, it is our goal to make the world a better place to live in. If you have the planning, collaborative,
Civil engineering offers a lot of services that can be provided to a lot of people. Thus,
the first is drafting room. It has a conducive environment that facilitates long hours of making drawings and practicing templates. Tables are ergonomic and spacious, which allows students and professors to make discussions from drawing mock-ups up to design concepts.
Next is computer laboratories. The computer laboratories house dozens of computer units for digital engineering tasks of students. As design and drawing outputs can be viewed real-time with the use of AutoCAD. Students get to have immediate feedbacks and professor can understand inquiries faster.
The next is civil engineering laboratories. The CE labs can cater various laboratory exercises among different courses within its area. Also, the campus has spacious open areas for field or outdoor activities. The following courses can have extensive laboratory exercises in the CE lab and the outdoor, such as soil mechanics, fluid mechanics and hydraulics, and surveying.
Electronics Engineering Laboratories. This is designed to provide the students knowledge to use basic measuring instruments to teach circuits and electronics that are used to make experiments and circuit design concepts. The tables are designed to have a built-in socket, so it will be an easy access when using the machines. Oscilloscope, used to measure electrical phenomena and quick test, verify, and debug their circuit designs, mainly to measure voltage waves. Function generators, utilized to create and send sine and square waveforms, which are common to a device under test. It can be used to check functionality of an electrical device or to test a design. Discrete components, used in amplifiers and other electronic products that use large amount of current.
The College of Engineering is home for shaping individuals in leading the edge of innovation and placing significant role in shaping society and its future.
It has 20 caliber faculty, offering quality education, great teaching methods, and provides study materials that could help us students.
As an electronics engineering student, this is an opportunity to redesign the world, making it even more efficient, connected, and sustainable. The course transforms the world by designing, building, and deploying innovative solutions to modern world problems.
Civil engineering involves creating and innovating things that improves the quality of your life. As a civil engineer, it is our goal to make the world a better place to live in. If you have the planning, collaborative, creative, and analytical skills together with a desire to innovate, then I believe the civil engineering program is for you.
ECE is regarded as the foundation of modern communication system. In today's world, modern applications such as Internet of Things, robotics, embedded systems rely heavily on ECE knowledge.
And when it comes to civil engineering, our future task is to decide build, and establish infrastructure that could make a working civilization. Hence the title, Civil. We will make a planet a better place to live, and we will create a better lifestyle for ourselves. So don't be afraid to take the initiative and lead the effort to innovate as we create ideas that could make a difference.
Good day, everyone. I'm Engineer Matt Irving Mital, the current program head of the ECE department here in our Lady of Fatima University, Quezon City campus. One of the reasons why you should take this program is because of the possible contributions that you could make in the field of technology and communication. As future electronics engineers, you will be the one to design integrated chips that will be used in appliances and gadgets that we use in our everyday lives. You could also evaluate signal amplifiers and antennas used for communications, and you could also build CCTV floor plans for security and maintenance. You could also visit and help in building aeronautical facilities. In addition to that, you could also enter the world of academia and research. Here in OLFU QC, we are already equipped with laboratory equipment such as the oscilloscopes, function generators, and digital power supplies, which can be used in your laboratory classes. Hence, I am encouraging everyone to take the ECE program and be ready to make a difference.
Why take the CE program? Well, basically, civil engineering is a multifaceted program wherein graduates of the civil engineering program can actually be found in a lot of fields. The biggest misconception about civil engineering is that it's only aligned to designing buildings and infrastructures. Well, for your information, civil engineers are also the professionals tasked to actually look into traffic engineering, geotechnical or all about earth and before their construction. Also, civil engineers are assigned to water resources and environmental engineering. And of course, civil engineers are the ones looking after management of projects. Also, civil engineering offers a lot of services that can be provided to a lot of people. Thus, it can open a lot of doors for someone who's going to really think of civil engineering as a profession. Mind you, the root word of the term civilization is civil, therefore, civil engineers are considered the frontliners of progress.
The Our Lady of Fatima University offers various facilities and equipment for incoming new students. These include modern classroom, state-of-the-art laboratory that includes oscilloscope, a monetimes trainer, function generator, and discrete components. These are the resources that helps and supports the education of all FU students.
Our Lady of Fatima University is a leading institution that is adaptable to the needs of its students. Civil engineering is one of the new courses offered at OLFU QC campus, but the equipments like seats and theodolites and the facilities like Geotech Laboratory and drafting room are already in place, making it easier for students to study and learn more about their programs.
To give you an idea of a potential salary of a practice engineer, the starting salary is 24,000 pesos up to 40,000 pesos.
So the transition to a new normal has pushed our students out of their comfort zone. You can see many students are still fighting for their dreams, and that allows them to strive harder.
When it comes to lecturing, you can sense our professors' enthusiasm. They not only have outstanding communication skills, but they also have friendly attitude that makes them more approachable. Aside from that, they provide stories that urge the students to study more and to finish our course, even if it is difficult.
Good afternoon, Dean Martinez. The question is, what is at stake to be the Dean of College of Engineering?
Okay, I think not just me being dean, to all these various professionals who went to the academy, they are here, and what is at stake is the continuity of the profession. In this case, me covering for civil engineering and electronics engineering. I still recall when I was practicum coordinator with another school, attending a visit of one of our students in their OJT, And I get to meet this company owner, senior and seasoned civil engineer. He has been working for 4 decades, more than 4 decades, and he's got experience both in design and construction. One time I get to sit down with him and have a chat, and he's telling me he's envious of those who are in the academy because they are there, making sure that the profession continues. That from the first year of the student until graduation, and at times during their board review, faculty members, the very professors and instructors are very, very much willing to guide students to achieve their dreams, and that is to become engineers. As for me right now, I belong now to a university, a right place to do so. And with the faculty that I have, very much motivated to share their experiences, and the top management, very supportive of the things or the way that I would like to run the college. And of course, as the dean, my primary objective or job is to ensure that we have quality delivery of instruction. How do we achieve that? It's making sure that our faculty members, though they are working most of the time here, teaching, they are still able to attend seminars, trainings, workshops, to get themselves acquainted with the latest and what is trending with respect to their with the professional, with the current professional scene. And then, of course, until now, still working on it, but the improvement of the laboratories, acquisition of equipment and items, so that the students are able to use the same on what practicing in the civil engineers do on the field. And if you think of it, to our dear students, your goal is to become that engineer. Be a civil engineer, working on site, be an electronics engineer, maybe in research and development. But for me as a dean, and maybe the entirety of the faculty, we're thinking not just simply you becoming engineers, but you are ready as engineers that the society and community will welcome, that you'll be that they give you respect to what your profession is, and you'll be able to deliver what the community or the society that we have now needs.
Good morning, Dean. Why OLFU expanded its program offering to the engineering education?
Engineering education was first offered in Pampanga campus. But in our grade 12 survey, it came out that there are more number of sections that would wish to enroll in the engineering programs. The administrators and the staff work on getting permits of the College of Engineering and engineering programs. This we would like to fulfill our the dreams of our students to become an engineer one day. And thus, the College of Engineering was offered in Quezon City campus with blended technologies. It was indeed to show also everyone that Our Lady of Fatima University is not only good or excellent in medical and paramedical programs, entrepreneurial and business programs, but we can produce best engineers of the future by serving our students at our best.
Here in College of Engineering, you'll find your comfort by joining PICE organization for civil engineering students and ISEP organization for electronics communication engineering students.
Because Our Lady of Fatima University showed us that it is not just for medical students, but for everyone who dreams to become a future engineer.
Enroll now and experience excellence in engineering here at Our Lady of Fatima